How to make YouTube playlist public. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make YouTube playlist public. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Libraries. On YouTube, tap your profile icon at the lower right corner. Under Playlist, you can now tap any of your existing playlists or create a new one. Step 2. Public Playlist. Once you have created a playlist, tap it, then tap the pencil icon. Set the privacy to public. And that's it! That is how you make your YouTube playlist public. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!